Christmas and all through the house, and a flurry was stirring, not even a fox. The leaves were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas will soon be there. The cubs were all nestled, snug in their beds. I just settled down for a long winter's nap, when out of the forest arose such a clatter. As I sprang to...
Well, the writing's brilliant, but the narrative needs a lot of work. Wait, what are you doing there at the gaffer tape? Well, don't touch me with that gaffer tape! No! No!
Oh.
Do not walk. Thank you, go.
Go away.